Hi guys. Let's see how to add brightness slider in Notification Center on Windows 10 computer. Unlike tablets, most laptops include a specific brightness function that allows you to change the brightness with the touch of a button. If you wish to manually change the brightness, this button might be quite helpful. The brightness can be adjusted from inside the screen on tablets, but you might not see this slider by default in the Action Center or Notification Center on a laptop. Here's how to add a brightness slider to your Windows 10 computer's Notification Center. Click on the notification icon in the bottom right corner and click Expand if you haven't. This will expand the quick actions in the panel. Right-click on the empty area or press and hold the mouse click and choose Edit Quick Actions to edit the quick actions. Click Add to add the shortcuts. Click on Brightness to add the slider. Click Done to save the setting and you are done. That's it. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.